Okay, let's continue working. Activity number 4, grade 6. In your activity number 4, it says here, solving routine and non-routine problems. So when we say routine, medyo madali lang, no? Yung na palagi nating ginagawa, that's routine already. Pero pag sinabi nating non-routine, it means it's more critical. So, it cannot be solved by one operations. It will be a combination of 2, 3. Let's say you're going to add, and then you're going to subtract, and then you're going to divide. In case there will be 3 or 4 operations involved in one problem. But don't be sad because there will be guide for you to answer. So in your sheets, in your activity sheets that you are holding right now, there are guide or rules that you have to follow, directions that you have to follow. Now, I want you to remember the word signals. Just like when we are solving word problems using addition. Now, when you solve addition problems, how do you know it's addition? You have to read properly the problem and try to locate the word signals so that you can identify what operation you are going to use. For addition, there will be word you can find there like and, the total, or sum. Those are word signals for addition. For subtraction, we have another word signals like difference. Find the difference. When I say difference, it is subtraction. For multiplication, product. Find the product. When I say product, it means you're going to multiply. Okay. Here's the word signals for addition. You have and, total, sum, increase, add, in all together, more. If you can find that, that means you're going to add. And then if we have the words difference, decrease, take away, less, that means subtraction. For multiplication, we have twice, product, of, double. If you can find these words, that means you're going to multiply. Okay, let us try to analyze this problem. Letter B, page 2 of your activity number 4. Now, Mary bought 2 and 3/4 kilograms of fish. That cost 180 pesos per kilogram. Okay? And, remember, and, that means addition. 3 and 1/2 kilograms of beef meat that cost 350 per kilograms. Question, how much did she spend in all? So you notice na meron tayong step 1 and meron tayong step 2. We will tackle with this one. Now, I want you to analyze. There are 2 kilos and 3/4 kilograms of fish. Now, in each kilo, that's 180. How you're going to find the total cost of the 2 and 3/4 kilos of fish? So, that means we have here the word of. That means you're going to multiply 2 and 3/4 times 180. To get the total cost of the fish. Now here, 3 and the end. That means you are going to add the total cost of the fish. You are going to add the total cost of the beef. Okay, now 3 and 1/2 kilograms of beef. And each kilo is 350 pesos. That means you are going to multiply 3 and 1/2 times 350 so you can get the total cost of the beef. And then after you get the total cost of fish, the total cost of beef, you add the two products. So you can find now the answer of this question. How much did she spend in all? First is fish. So that is 2 and 3/4. You're going to multiply that with 180. So 180 is a whole number. Automatic, pag whole number, that is over 1. Okay? So you're going to multiply now. Look, as I've said, fraction number, you cannot directly multiply that. You have to change this into improper. So 4 times 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the numerator 3. So it is 11. Over, copy the denominator 4. And then you multiply it, copy this one, 181. Now, proceed to cancellation. Of course, you can cancel 11, 4, 180 and 1, 11, 1. You choose now. 11, 4 cannot be because there will be no GCF for that. Only 1. And then 180 and 4, I think you may, because 180 is an even number and 4 is also an even number. Let us try to use 4 as your GCF. Itong GCF mo, 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 180 divided by 4 is, what do you think? 180 divided by 4. Stop. So we have 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 180 is too big, so you have to follow this. Scratch paper ninyo. Tingnan ninyo. 180 divided by 4. So 18 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then subtract it. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 1, 1, 0. And then bring down to 0. 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Minus, it's 0 na. So, therefore, 45. So, cancel that one. This is 45. Okay. After that, you multiply the numerators, and denominators. So, 11 times 45 here. 11 times 45. This is how you're going to multiply. 2 digits by 2 digits. 5 times 1. 5. Remember this. This is grade 4. 5 times 1 is also 5. And another one. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Then add the partial product. 5, 9, and 4. So, when you multiply 11 times 45, that is 495 over 1 times 1, 1. Okay, our answer is 495. Remember, we are asking about money. So, this 495 divided by 1, it will give you sign, peso sign. That's not the peso sign anymore. This is the new one. PHP. So, the answer is 495 pesos. This is only for the fish. Now, for the beef, you have 3.5 kilos. Okay? Sige. Remember, 450 yung fish natin. Okay. Remember that. 450 ang fish. This is for the fish. Let's try to get the total cost of the beef. Now, 3.5 times 350 per kilo. Okay? So, here, change this into improper. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Copy denominator 2, so 7 halves times 350. Then, proceed to cancellation. Try. 7 and 1 cannot be. 7, 2 cannot be. 2 and 3, 50. Yes, can you? Can you divide that one by 2s? 350, yes. So, this is by 2. Divided by 2 and divided by 2. So this is 350 divided by 2 is 175. Okay. So you multiply the remaining numbers. 7 times 175 times 7. Okay, let's do it this way. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 3. This is 52. So 7 times 1 is 7 plus 5, 12. So therefore, we have 1,225 here. 1,225 over 2 times 1. This is not, 1 na yan siya. So this is 1. Okay. Now, therefore, our answer, the total cost for the beef is 1. You divide that 1. 1,225 divided by 1. Of course, it will give you the same number. 1,225 pesos. This is for the beef. Okay? And then, here, for 1,225 ang beef natin. Now, the question is, how much did she spend in all? Magkano daw yung nagastos niya lahat sa fish at saka sa beef? Now, this time, you are going to add. Remember, we started with multiplication and then we end up to addition. Okay? So, 0 plus 5, because we are going to add 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. And bring down 1. And this is, do not forget to write the peso sign. Because it's money all about. 1,675 pesos is the total cost of the two products. So, 1,675 pesos she spent in all. Okay? This is how to solve non-routine. This is an example of non-routine problems. A combination of 2 or 3 or 4 operations.